a, you know, crazy video on the RSX, but all right. Yes, I am still using the CD player attachment to the phone. Old school. I could use CDs, but I don't have any CDs. So, but everything else works in here, minus the cruise control. But you don't need cruise control in this. All right, so nobody's behind us. Let's roll. Perks of having a lower car, you hear everything. So I'm on the Toyo TR1 tires right now. Those things have less than 100 miles on them. VTEC, baby. Right, per your unit, and if not, then you have to put it in a non-op status, and I don't want to do all that. I don't want it to sit. So originally I wanted to part it out, actually, so literally take door panels off, you name it, and send it off to whomever. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Again, check it out on Reddit. All right, y'all, well, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. All right, y'all.